What if you can have it all? Luxury and location. Welcome to our new listing, a custom-built home in East Oakville, a perfect place to call it home. Meet your new home with over 3,100 square feet of living space, a grand entrance foyer, separate living, dining, and family room, custom open riser stairs, porcelain tiles, a chef's kitchen, and a lot more custom upgrades. Enjoy your evenings with your family with this spacious great room with custom millwork, waffle ceiling, and a lot of natural lights. Welcome to the heart of the home, a custom-built kitchen with high-end appliances, Calcutta countertop, and entertainer's delight. If you want to see this gorgeous home, just reach out to me for your private tour.